Forget the long lines and overpriced coffee. Today, we're making a rich, nutty, buttery pecan latte right at home. And yes, it is better than Starbucks.
Hey, coffee lovers! If you are craving something warm, cozy, and a little indulgent, you are going to love this one. Let us make magic in a mug.
To start, we're toasting half a cup of pecans. This brings out the deep, buttery flavor we want. Just 5 to 7 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Keep an eye on them. They can burn fast.
Next, we're making our own pecan syrup. It's super simple. Combine 1/2 cup toasted pecans,
1/2 cup brown sugar, 1/2 cup water, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, a splash of vanilla. Let it simmer for 5 minutes, then strain it. Boom, pecan syrup that smells like a cozy fall afternoon.
Time for the latte. Brew a double shot of espresso, or strong coffee if you don't have an espresso machine.
Then froth up 3/4 cup of milk. Any milk works, but oat milk plus pecans equals next level. In your favorite mug, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of pecan syrup, pour in your espresso, and top it with that creamy, dreamy milk. That is dangerously good. It's nutty, buttery, not too sweet, basically a warm hug.
If you loved this recipe, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more cozy drinks and cafe-style recipes at home.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.